Oh, spice this and spice that. So now you are insert your blood clot self. This don't have nothing to do with you. This don't have nothing to do with you. And stinking Bambi she will be other people problem because she not on a storyline and come talk. But what's going on? What's going on? And then you jump in at this and this have nothing to do with you and then you talk about. Spice always inserts her. Move your dirty blood clot. You come like book. You come like one book. Full of page. You're full of blood. May I go away? I love you guys. I love you too. Yeah, Maya, big up yourself. Yeah, Yvonne, nice and clean. Yeah, big up my brand, Gracie Noir. Yeah, make sure you go shop on Gracie Noir, GRACINOIR.com. Nice clothes over there for fit everyone. You know, Gracie Noir is the store. Spice official stats. It's because your argument didn't take right, exactly. That is exactly it's Spice stats. That is exactly because I said nobody no want to see him. Why make you think them always that fear use me and the whole heap of conflict for build the page? Because I'm that girl. Let me ask Siri. Who is the most streamed artist and love and hip hop Atlanta? Spice. Which artist travels the most outside of America? Spice. Who's the biggest artist and love and hip hop Atlanta? Spice. Who has the most hit songs on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta? The most streamed? I'm that girl, so I understand. Don't think I'm stupid. I get it. I understand why all of y'all are mad and jealous and envious of me. I am that girl. And it's sad to see that the same little black bitch that y'all ate so much, I'm the girl. I'm the one. It's me. It's me. No, sir. Big up Zell. Big up my baby Zell. Big up Rashida. Big up Yandy. Yeah. Big up my baby Shekinah. Yeah. Big up Kirk. Yeah, Jasmine Kirk Dowire. Jasmine Kirk Dowire. Come fuck you when him drunk. The man did drunk. Move your dirty blood clots.